This young guy is determined to amaze you. He's combining several rolls of foil into one large sheet. Just look at that. The process begins with carefully compressing the roll to increase its density. Each step is calculated, as achieving the right density is crucial. It's not just a preparation stage, it's the foundation for everything that comes next. Next, he cuts the large sheet into equal portions. This step, while seemingly straightforward, requires careful attention and specialized tools. It's an essential part of getting the material ready for use in his melting device. Without this meticulous preparation, the project couldn't move forward. The material is melted down and transformed. The molten metal is poured into a starch mold, which at first glance looks like the frame of a pair of glasses. But don't let appearances fool you. This is just the beginning. The real surprise is yet to come. After the metal hardens, he trims away all the excess material. He then uses a file to remove imperfections, working with incredible detail as the piece spins rapidly. Next, the piece goes to the milling machine for further refinement. Here, the component is shaped and polished until it looks like it came straight off a factory production line. The precision and care put into this stage are nothing short of impressive. Once the piece is refined, it's time to drill holes. This step may seem simple, but it requires patience and accuracy. Each hole is carefully placed and drilled with purpose, playing a key role in the final design. The central section of the piece is then filled with DF312 plastic, which enhances its properties and adds an essential touch to the structure. The next task is to screw a metal rod into a fixed connector. And now comes the trickiest part, attaching an LED strip to the structure. As the lights come on, the entire piece transforms, glowing like a Christmas tree. To strengthen the structure, he adds wooden supports. These components are both sturdy and flexible, providing stability while complementing the design. Once the supports are in place, a clamping bearing is added to tighten the entire assembly, making it secure and durable. The supports are then covered with a layer of translucent fabric, giving the piece a sleek and finished appearance. To conceal the exposed metal rod, he places a mold around it and fills it with cement mix. After the cement hardens, he removes any excess material and paints the surface a vibrant red. Finally, the project reaches its conclusion. A contact plate with a special gripping mechanism is installed, completing the assembly. With the last step, connecting the wire, the purpose of the creation is revealed. It's an incredible one-of-a-kind lamp designed to function as a nightlight. Made entirely in a garage, this masterpiece is both creative and practical. Just take a look at it. It's hard to believe such a stylish and unique piece was handcrafted. Every detail was carefully thought out, resulting in something truly extraordinary.